Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer transactions from Bank of America to spreadsheets with Plaid. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Plaid website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, locate the Link a Bank Account option on your dashboard. Click on it to start the process. Select Bank of America from the list of available institutions. If you can't find it, use the search bar to type Bank of America. Click on the Bank of America logo when it appears. You will be directed to a page asking for your online banking credentials. Enter your Bank of America username and password. Complete any additional two-factor authentication as prompted. Once authenticated, you will see a list of available accounts. Choose the account from which you want to transfer transactions. After selecting the account, click on Continue. Review the permissions that Plaid requests and allow access. Once access is granted, Plaid will begin syncing your transaction data. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the sync is complete, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now, look for the option to export your transaction data. Select the format you wish to export in, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the date range for the transactions you want to include. Click on the Export button to download your transaction file. Open the downloaded file in your spreadsheet application. Review the data to ensure everything has been transferred successfully. You can now manipulate and analyze your transactions in your spreadsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.